Hey guys, this is DIY Manual, and today we're going to take a look at this small whole house water filter housing from Membrane Solution. They're also known for their Simpure line of products. This filter housing will accommodate any 10 by 2.5 whole house filters. This is a small housing with a limited 5 liters of water per minute flow rate, so it is considered to be a point of use system rather than a whole house system. Unless you live in an RV or a tiny one-bath home where you don't use multiple water fixtures at the same time. If you just want to remove the chlorine taste from your city water and don't want to invest in an expensive RO system, you can actually place this under your sink and use a CTO filter like this. This CTO filter is very cheap and you can actually use this for up to 6 months. And also you can use this PP filter or sediment filter before your dishwasher to prevent white spots in your glassware, or before your washing machine to remove rust so that your white clothes will be really white instead of kinda white color. So this thing comes with a bracket like this, and it also comes with 4 screws so that you can screw this to the head unit like this one right here. You can either do it this way or do it this way. This thing also comes with a filter removal tool so that you can easily remove your filters. So what I'll do today is I'm going to install this filter housing with the CTO filter under one of my sinks that have easy access so I can easily film the process. This combination is if you simply want to remove the chlorine taste and to be able to drink directly from your tap water. And to do that, all you need is a set of 3 1/4 to 1.5 inch adapter. You're gonna need a Teflon tape, and you're going to need an extra 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch supply line hose and a set of wrench. And if you want to secure this unit into your wall, you're gonna need a screwdriver and another 4 sets of screws. So the first thing I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna put a Teflon tape right here so that we can prevent any leaks from the system. And I'll do it on the other side, tighten it up. It's nice and tight, and let's just do it on the other side. Okay, so it's nice and tight on both sides. So next is I'm just gonna put Teflon tape on both sides. So I'm gonna put some tape right here. So let's go ahead and go to my sink and install this thing. Okay, so next is you wanna make sure that you turn off your shut-off valve. And I'm gonna be removing this water line right here and putting it into my... And by the way, make sure you have a catch pan, because once you open this, there's gonna be some water flowing. That's still right here. Sorry about the hand. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this extra 1.5 by 1.5 that I purchased right here. And before I put this thing in, I would like to put the filter first. Make sure that you remove the cover from the filter. Okay, so just remove the cover from the filter, and I'll just basically drop it right here and close this thing in. And then your hose that goes to your faucet, you're gonna want it right here on the out. And the hose that is attached to your valve, you want to put it right over here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So basically from the valve, it goes right here on the input, and then the water goes here, goes out here, and then goes back to the faucet. Okay, so the faucet's now on and there's no leak right now, so we're doing good right now. So I guess we have a successful install. So I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and once again, thank you for watching.